Alright guys, so we're driving over to Aaron's right now. Gonna get the 2011 Mazda 3 wash. This thing is dirty. So this one's gonna need a real cleaning. Whoever owned it definitely owned dogs or something. There's dog hair all over the car. There's dirt everywhere. The car smells like dogs. So we're here at Aaron's. Mr. Aaron waiting outside for us. What do you think?
Is that some brake clunking in the back, or
Something clunking in the back, yes.
There's definitely some kind of clunk.
Clunk from the back, I would think back right.
I mean, I think it's a start.
Definitely got a knock in the front.
It's at the front?
Issues. This is the one that had
the oil exploding.
The oil exploding.
Well, it's got a nice fresh coating of oil, right?
And rust remover, what's it called? Anti-rust?
Rust check, yeah, that's it.
Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification thing. We're a new channel. It really helps us. Every subscriber helps us.
Oh, great. That's a good brake.
It's in gear.
I see that.
So you're just gonna like knock the car down the driveway?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, so this car is not in the greatest condition. It's got some rust holes. It's got some rusty wheels. It's got a whole lot of dents. We're going to go through a real quick rundown, the same rundown we went through last time, but fast. It's got a whole lot of dents right here, a whole lot of rust right here, a whole lot of dirt and grime and stuff right here. It's got leaves everywhere. It's got scratches, more rust, nasty dirt marks. The interior smells like dogs. It's got bird poop. It's got a super oily motor. It's got a vent right here, but it's held together with zip ties. Right here is completely missing and held together with zip ties.
A good portion of this car may be held together with zip ties.
And the interior overall.
Yeah, we're not going to put this on
there. Not so hot. Kind of dirty. Covered in dog hairs. Smells like dog. Dog scratched up the dashboard for sure. Some sort of weird scratches up here. Some leaves, some stuff. Some of these are full giant paint chips.
And that looks like some full giant paint chips, I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah. Well, that sucked.
That's
disgusting. Alright guys, this is the 2011 Mazda 3 cleaned up. That's how it came out. I mean, looks wise, it looks just so much better. It's got a couple little things that still need to be done, but I mean, overall, car is just so much nicer. Look at that. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Look guys, this is still definitely our most beat up car. It's still got missing panels. I don't know, it's just beaten up, okay? I mean, it does drive good. It needs a couple repairs, but after this cleaning, I mean, I don't know. Came out pretty nice. It came out really nice. Just such better quality than it was when it was so dirty. Impressively clean, as usual. Yeah, it's just overall looking nice. Let's look under the hood and then we'll point out the little inconsistencies and repairs that still need to be done. Under the hood's so clean. Oh god, that's so much nicer. And that's it. That's the 2011 Mazda 3, guys. That's it cleaned up, as sparkly as it'll get. Now, as for issues, look, the headlights. The headlights are going to need a buffing. Cool, easy. I'll get it done. This dent, I don't think there's much we can do about it, but I'm going to try getting some of it buffed, as well as these scratches. Some of them can be buffed. The tires are going to get sanded. The wheels will get sanded and painted. This scratch, I don't know if you guys can see. I think the reflections, oh, there we can kind of see it. The reflections and angles, but it goes all the way down. I'm going to try and buff it out. This hole, we can't do anything about. These tires, sand, and paint. The backside, not much I can really do. It is what it is, and it's also not so terrible. Like some of these can maybe buff out. Again, the rust can't really do anything. The tires, sand, paint. Here, it's broken, fix it. These I thought were like dirt or bird poop or something. As it turns out, they're paint chips. I'm gonna sort out something. It'll probably be a ghetto fix, but it's still a fix. But like other than that, okay, wait. So we're missing a panel here that I ordered. Again, paint, sand, paint. Here I've ordered this. So that's coming. We'll get rid of these zip ties, refasten that. I'm kind of happy with the outcome.